What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is the final video before the car finally goes in for remapping. So today I'm just going to go through a couple of things with you, and yeah, hopefully it will just be a short one. So let's get into it. So guys, I just wanted to start out with a simple shout out to AKS Tuning. So I ordered a dipstick from them, a genuine dipstick, which I've got in my hand here. I will show you it in a moment. Now, it's not a sponsored item, this is something that I've bought and paid for, but I just like the fact that even though it was a small order, it was about 18 quid, something like that, they still put the little goodies in there and everything else, which I thought was quite a cool touch. But no, the reason why I've ordered a genuine dipstick, guys, so you see the piece of plastic just below the O-ring, what's got the, if it'll focus, I don't know if that's gonna focus, there we go, just below the O-ring. So on my one it's all cracked off, and the O-ring failed, so luckily I caught it cracked and flicked it all off before it all fell into the engine the other day, but it means that I have been riding around with a dipstick that hasn't been sealing properly. So I've ordered a new one, a genuine one from AKS. I won't lie guys, I did want the billet aluminium one, but I couldn't justify spending £82 on a dipstick a few days before the car goes in for mapping, so I've just bought this one instead for now. So yeah, I'll swap that over in a moment, and when I do swap it over I'll show you guys the old one so you can see the base of it where it broke on mine. Apparently it is common, so if any of you guys do have the same engine and dipstick, it's just worth keeping an eye on. My car's what, 11 years old, 60 plate, and I think it's got 73 thou on now. So yeah, just something for you guys to be aware of. But so the main thing for today is costs more than anything, and fuel. So that's the big one. So a full tank of fuel in this, I'll run it off Tesco 99, I think it's Tesco Momentum, the 99 RON. Currently, I think last time I brimmed the tank it was about 62 quid from just before the fuel light comes on. I believe it's a 55 litre tank, so work out how much a full tank is, £1.38.9 a litre I think where I am. But yeah, so full tank roughly 62 quid. On a motorway I get 35 to a gallon. Now it claims online it's 35 to a gallon regardless. I think I only get it on a motorway. Round town 28, 30 if I drive it nicely at a push. And a full tank range anywhere between sort of 200 and 300 miles, maybe 350 if you include a long commute in there. I know we did a few weeks ago, me and the family did do coast to coast for a trip for a day out. I think I got 375 miles to a tank, which wasn't too bad, but it was pretty much all motorway. So yeah, there is that. Road tax on this is £300 for the year. Quite a lot of money really, but worth every penny. Also, when I was looking at stats online, I believe 0 to 60 is 6.4 seconds. I am hoping to get a clip of trying that out today, but it has been raining, so I don't know how well that's going to go. But I will try my best for you guys to see if we can get that out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it really, in terms of, shall we call it, basic running costs. But yeah, so I just want to recap before it goes in for mapping the mods that are on the car to support the Remap, there's literally two mods that I've got on it, which is the Ramair Oversized Induction kit and a Decat Downpipe. That's all you need for stage 2, or a sports cat, obviously depending on what way you want to go. But yeah, that is all you need in this car for stage 2. And obviously when it goes in for mapping, I will let you guys know the results and hopefully get some footage while I'm down at Artec as well. But obviously because of COVID, I don't know what sort of rules are going to apply when I'm there. But it's just something that I want it doing regardless. The mapping, I wanted it done by Artec. Hopefully I can get involved while we're down there, but if I can't, I can't. But yeah, either way, you guys will see the results, and yeah, it should be good. That will definitely keep me occupied with the car, should we say, for the time being. So that will be all good fun. I'm just trying to think of any other costs really. I spent the day yesterday just in my coilovers so that it can fit on the dyno because they needed to be raised up. But I think that pretty much covers it, guys. So it is only a short video, pretty boring one, just me sat here talking to the camera. But it is just something that I wanted to run through just before the map, and hopefully, even though I'm ending the video here now, hopefully later on if it dries up I can get some 0.60s in and put that into the video as well. But I'll just pop the dipstick out now and show you. So it's here where it's broke.